Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pieces Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today I have something very exciting to share with you guys. So today marks the introduction day for my Mystery Crochet-A-Long, and I hope you guys come and participate because this is going to be a lot of fun. I completely get with it being a Mystery Crochet-A-Long, and right at Christmas time, I completely understand if you don't want to participate because things get a little crazy at this time of year. But feel free, if you don't want to do it now, you can do it next year or whenever you feel like it. But I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could share this with your friends and family, those who crochet along as well. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, this is going to be a 5-part series starting on November 12th, and it's going to end on December 10th. Each video is going to come out on Sunday at 10 o'clock a.m. each week. Now, with that being said, each week is going to open up a clue, and that clue could be anywhere from a Christmas movie to a Christmas song, scripture, who knows, other than myself, what your clue is going to be, but it's going to be a lot of fun. Now, you're not going to get that final review or that final reveal until the very last part or clue number 5. But again, it is going to start on November 12th and end on December 10th. And each video comes out on Sundays at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and that's AM. So let's talk yarn real quick. I'm going to overestimate and say that we are going to need at least 2,000 yards. Again, that is probably well overestimated, but just in case, I would rather have leftover yarn than no more yarn to do this project. Now you can use DK weight yarn or you can use 4-weight yarn. I'm going to be specifically using 4-weight yarn, but that is up to you. You can use whatever kind of colors that you would like to, and I'll share with you guys here in a minute exactly what I'm going to be using. Now, with not knowing exactly 100% right now of how many yards we are needing, in my introduction videos to each part, I will be giving you or letting you know how much we are going to need. So right now, it's just kind of like an estimate of what you need right now if you want to go ahead and get your supplies. So the yarn choices that I'm going to be using is you're going to need at least 2 of these scarfy yarns, which is Lion brand. You should still be able to pick this up from Joann's, and this is the color Oxford / Clariette. Again, you will need at least 2 of these if you're going to use this as your main color like I am, but again, you can use whatever you want to use. I am also going to be using I Love This yarn, which is in the color Ivory. I'm not going to be using all of this, but I would suggest getting at least 1 of these ivories as well. And then I also have another I Love This yarn as well, which is in the color Aubergine, which is like a burgundy color. I do suggest picking 1, if not 2 of these up. I would do 2 just in case. And last but not least, just in case if I don't have enough, I did also threw in this yarn. I'm not exactly for sure what exactly this is, but I know I got it from Hobby Lobby, and I think there is about 255 yards here. So that is my yarn choices. Again, you can use whatever you would like, whatever kind of color scheme, whatever, as long as it is a DK or a 4-weight yarn as well. Now also, if there is several people participating in this Mystery Crochet-A-Long, then at the end of part number 5, I would like to put together a slideshow of whether you're in progress of working on the project or completely finished. I would like to put a slideshow, and if you decide to participate in that, then you can send your pictures through, I think you can, I have TikTok, I have Instagram, I have Facebook, and I also have email as well. So any of those platforms, you can send your pictures to me, which all of those are going to be down in the description box. And I think that really wraps up for the introduction. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can feel free to ask me those in the comment section, or you can also email me as well. But I think that really wraps it up for the introduction. Again, clue number 1 comes out on November 12th at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you guys then. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys on Sunday.